how do you turn off the blue light on the Android? Let me talk about it. If you're new here, well, definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, you can go through the settings of your Android phone. It kind of like depends on the specific device that you have, but I would personally just download an app from the Play Store for this particular purpose. So I would just literally look up the blue light filter. You can type that in, and the one which is literally called the blue light filter dash night mode. This is the one I use. It has 10 million plus downloads, so it's pretty good if you ask me. And you just have to get that application, and you get inside, and you can just like enable it like that. And of course, it might take a while for the app to be like set up. It might ask for some permissions. So if it asks for anything, you will probably need to allow it because it can change the settings of the phone. So if you wanted some third-party app to be able to change the temperature of the display, you will have to grant the app permission to do that. So you have to confirm it. But then once you're inside, you can just change the color temperature and intensity, and you can kind of like turn it on and off. So it all gets like set up within one application. So I kind of find it to be working well. This is how you can like limit the blue light. You turn it off for the night, and as I said, you can bump up the intensity if you feel like it's not doing good enough, right? So if you want to make it more yellow, you can change the temperature and also the intensity, right? So this is how you can do this. Let me know if you manage to find it and make it work on your Android smartphone. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.